going on, guys? Probably guys can't probably see me, but it's currently 3 in the morning right now. And yeah, it's Thursday, 3 in the morning, and it's go time, it's baby time. So we're about to go to the hospital, get everything ready, and have this baby. So I'm about to be a father of two. So for the OG subscribers and people that have been following me for years, know that I did a video with my daughter also. So yeah, I'm gonna be making one for my other daughter that's about to be born now. So let's get to it, guys. It's go time. This is what we had our first daughter at. Wish us luck.
Motherfucking Sunday, and you cruising down Crenshaw in a motherfucking 6'4". Come on, say that shit like you believe it, man. Like it's your word, still the shit. Stop playing around, loosen the fuck up. There you go.
Alright, guys. So I had to leave the room because she's getting the epidural now. She couldn't take the pain. It was way too much, and she was only 5 centimeters. So that can mean waiting another 4 hours or so. So pain level was about 11. So she just wanted to get the epidural. She got it the first time also. So I had to leave the room because it's like nobody could be in the room, only the doctor. So I gotta head back in about 30 minutes. But yeah, it's going by pretty fast, I believe. I think it's going by pretty fast. It's already what time was it? It's already 2 o'clock. We got here at 3, I believe. So it's going by pretty quick. So depending on what time she gets birth, the next day we'll be going home at the same exact time. So if she gets birth at 6 in the afternoon, we'll be going home the next day, which will be Friday. We'll be going home Friday at 6. So yeah, we're just anxious, excited. I know she's gonna watch this, so baby doing an amazing job. I won't be able to give birth or deal with the pains that she's dealing with. So for her to be able to do that it's insane. She's a strong warrior, and yeah. I'm gonna come back to the room in 30 minutes, and the thing that sucks is she can't eat until she gives birth. So that's kind of like the tricky part, Well, not tricky, but it's kind of hard on her. So yeah, once she gives birth, though, we're gonna literally get a huge dinner for her, like whatever it is. She wants steak, rice. I think she wants like Spanish food. So yeah, whatever she wants, I'm gonna go and get that for her because she literally deserves that and everything else. So yeah, just wanted to keep you guys updated. It's the next day, morning. I haven't slept, but it's normal. Like a baby girl. Just knocked out. Her face is all squished up right now. Hi, baby. Twin right there. Alright, guys. Finally heading home. It's only been one day and it felt like forever. Because we woke up at like 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning. And with my first daughter, we stayed at the hospital for 3 days. I don't even know how we did that because it's just one day. It felt way too long. So I'm about to go get my car and bring it around and load up my wife and my newborn and head home so she can see her sister and our family. We got family coming over, so it should be a pretty good day. Little munchkin. First car ride home.
Going home.
It's the last time seeing this place. Well, hopefully.
Really? Oh my God! Hi! You can! Come here, wait, sit first. Sit first. Sit right there. Oh wait, I need to record this. Wait, okay. You ready? You so ready?
Sit down right there.
Oh my God!
Your kids, baby.
What's that? She looks just like you. Does she look like you?
Aubrey, look at me. Look at me, Aubrey. Sure. Give him a kiss, give him a kiss.